Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about ungrouped data. At the end of this topic, we should be able to find and interpret mean, mode, median, quartiles, and percentiles for the ungrouped data. First, we look at measure of location for ungrouped data. We have mean, mode, and median. Mean, the notation is x bar. Mode is x cap. Median is x bar. We are going to use this formula to solve the next example. The mean is the average, mode is the most frequent value, median is the middle value of a set of data that is arranged in order. Now we look at example 1. We have a set of number 3, 5, 7, 4, 5, 9, and 6. First question, we are going to find mean. Mean x curl equals to summation of x divided by n. Summation of x is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6. And then divided by n. N is number of the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The data is 7. 39 over 7. So our mean is 5.57. Second, we are going to find the mode. Mode is the frequent, the highest frequency of the data. So here we look at number 5, we get twice. So our mode, the question B, mode x cap equals to 5. So this is the highest frequency of the data. Number 3, we are going to find the median. Median is the middle value of the data. First, we are going to arrange the data in increasing order or decreasing order. So let's say I arrange in increasing order. So we have 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So here we have the data is 7. So the middle will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So here will be our median. So median equals to 5. Or we can use the formula. Okay, let's say we have even and odd. So here our n equals to 7 means our n is odd number. Okay, our median will be x n plus 1 over 2. Okay, our n is 7, so our median will be x, n plus 1 will be 8. 8 over 2 will be 4. So x4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is our median, which is equals to 5. Example 2, we are going to find mean, mode, and median. We are given number of male children and frequency. So here our data, number of male children will be our x value, frequency our f. So we are going to find mean. Question A, mean equals to summation of x divided by n. Here we have the frequency. We are going to use summation of fx divided by summation of f. So we are going to add one row. Here we are going to find fx. Fx means f multiplied by x. So here we have 0 multiplied by 2, 0. 1 multiplied by 5, 5. 14, 9, 8, and 5. So here will be the total. 0 summation of fx is 0 plus 5 plus 14 plus 9 plus 8 and plus 5. So here we have summation of fx equals to 41. Summation of f will be the second row. Summation of f equals to, we sum up all the value here, 20. And then substitute into the formula 41 divided by 20. So our mean is 2.05. Next, we are going to find mode for this example. So we are going to look at the frequency. Here frequency, the highest frequency 7, but our mode will be x value. So mode x cap equals to 2. Next, we are going to find the median. Median is the middle of the data. So since we have in frequency, we are going to use the formula here. Now n for this one will be the summation of f. Our summation of f here is 20. So 20 is even number. So our x bar median equals to 1 over 2 xn over 2. Xn over 2 is 20 over 2 plus x 20 over 2 plus 1. So 1 over 2 x10 plus x11. So how to determine what is the data for x10 and x11? We are going to find the cumulative frequency here. We are going to find the cumulative frequency here. We start with 2. 2 plus 5, we are going to add up 7. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 3, 17 plus 2, 19 and plus 1 will be 20. So we are going to determine what is our x10. Okay, our x10 will be here. Will be at here. Okay, because x8 until x14 is number 2. So our median will be 1 over 2, 1 over 2, x10 is 2, x11 also 2. So 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is 2. So our median for this set is 2. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.